Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al. And it is time for one of my favorite videos of the month, the SheetLoad Showcase. I hope you'll stick around to see what each of my team members created with the new March 2024 SheetLoad of Cards. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope that by the end of this video, you'll be inspired to click on that subscribe button below and ring the bell for notifications. If you're already a subscriber and regular viewer, welcome back. I'm so glad that you're here again. Each month, I like to stop by and share a look with you at what my team created using the latest SheetLoad of Cards printable. Some of you might not have gotten a chance yet to see their videos here on YouTube or their posts over on Instagram, or maybe you don't have an Instagram account to see what that team has created. This is your chance to see them all in one place, and then if you want to find out more information, which I'm sure you will, make sure to check out the description box below for links to their channels and their Instagram accounts. Also, don't forget, if you don't already subscribe to our guest artist of the month, Chandra of Stocked and Stuffed, that you take a minute and do that. Her link is also down in the description box. I was so glad to have her join the team this month. In front of me are 3 of the 12 cards I created using the March 2024 printable. And while I'm thinking about it, speaking of 12 cards, this weekend, actually tomorrow, Saturday, March 16th, I'm going to be getting together with collaboration team members Biddy, Penny, and Amalia for SheetLoad Live. We're going to be doing some live crafting with the latest SheetLoad, and at the end of the live, we're going to give our cards away. But what I wanted to tell you about that's special is that I'm going to have a bonus printable for viewers that is going to show you how you can make 15 cards using this layout and cutting sizes. Now it does switch up the diagram just a little bit, so that's why I have that bonus printable. This bonus printable and how to get 15 cards was inspired by collaboration team Beth of Bourbon Creek Crafts. I hope to see you all there. You can check out the video, which is linked at the end of this one or in the description box below, and set a reminder to join us. Now let's take a look at the cards that my collaboration team created. Up first and featured in this month's thumbnail is the set that our guest artist Chandra created. She has used the March 2024 SheetLoad of Cards to create a fun set of Easter cards. I love the variety of pattern papers and those glittery die-cut bunnies. Up next is a set of birthday cards that Yvette of the Yvette Olea Creates YouTube channel created. I love these colors and fun embellishments, and I don't know about you, but I want to go to Disney World now. Amalia of the Cool Cakes and Crafts with Amalia YouTube channel created a set of pretty birthday cards this month. I love those butterflies, especially the ones that shine. Ashley of the Mint Twist Cards YouTube channel used the March 2024 printable to create a SheetLoad of masculine cards. I love the more dark muted color palette and those fun embellishments. Going right from a dark to a bright set, the cards on screen now were created by Beth of the Bourbon Creek Crafts YouTube channel. Love those fun bright colors and those cute little turtles. Carmen of the Choose Joy with Carmen YouTube channel created a set of birthday cards this month. I love the more muted patterns and especially those gold foiled pieces. Chelsea of the Creative Chelsea YouTube channel created this pretty set on screen now. I love that color palette and the white embossing on the dark cardstock. Danny of the Danny's Dreams YouTube channel created a set of Good Vibes cards this month that would be great for any occasion. Love all of the gingham and those adorable images that she's colored. Karen, who shares here on YouTube at the Karen's Crafting Company YouTube channel, created a set of thinking of you cards that are perfect for spring, with the flowers and the rain boots and the pretty pastel colors. Up next is a set created by Lisa, who is at Scrapbook Girl over on Instagram. I just love these punny sentiments and images she used for her set this month. Mariah, who is at Fuzzy Slippers Designs on Instagram, created a set of Easter cards with the March template. I love those fun papers and those cute little die-cut bunnies with their twine bows. Up next is Noemi, who shares over on Instagram as at Me Crafty. For her set this month, she went with two different themes, one with that beautiful floral and the other one with the cute little bees and hive. Sandy, who is at Stamp with Sandy on Instagram, created a set of friendship cards using this month's printable. I love the earthy color palette with the pop of purple, and the sentiment, which reads, "The greatest gift is a good friend," is just perfect for these. Up next is Teresa of the Fresh and Renewed with Teresa YouTube channel, and she has used some not too shabby goodies to create a set of spring cards that will brighten anybody's day. And last but certainly not least is this fun set of cards by Toby of the Bitty Penny YouTube channel. I love these eclectic focal points, and I know if you stop by her channel, she'll let you know where she got them. Don't forget to come join her, Amalia, and myself tomorrow for SheetLoad Live. I just love seeing those all together. If you agree, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to visit any of the channels or Instagram accounts that you would like to learn more about their sets by using those links in the description box below. And until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.